Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss circle related problems. See the first question in this. If the line y equal to x touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 at P where OP equal to 6 root 2 then c equal to. They are asking only c value in the circle. By observing y is equal to x line is passing through origin. Why? Because it is in the form of y is equal to mx. So draw a rough diagram according to the problem. So this is the circle S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means you know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the origin. If the line y is equal to x touches the circle, this is y is equal to x line touching the circle, whose center is what? Center is obviously minus g comma minus f. Center is minus g minus f. Draw perpendicular here, that is radius of the circle. This line y is equal to x line touches at P, they mentioned, touches at P. OP value is given as 6 root 2. Join origin and center of the circle. Here we have one right angled triangle. So triangle OPC is right angled. Whenever it is right angle, apply Pythagoras theorem. CP square plus OP square is equal to OC square. CP square means R square plus OP square 6 root 2 whole square 72 is equal to OC square. OC square means distance between origin and minus g minus f. Distance between origin to the any point in the plane is always x square plus y square. Square here OC square, y square means without root we have to write. So g square minus g whole square and minus f whole square. We know that r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, no? So squaring on both sides, r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So in place of r square, g square plus f square minus c plus 72 equal to g square plus f square. Both sides g square f square will be cancelled. Minus c we can take this side. C is equal to 72, which is there in the second option. Go to the next question. The circle passing through t comma 1 comma t and t comma t for all the values of t also passes through among these points. Observe the logic in the given points. How to plot in the coordinate system the given points. What are the given points? Given points are t comma 1 comma t and t comma t. Among these points, in these 2 points, y coordinates are equal. Whenever y coordinates are equal, that 2 points which are parallel lines, it forms parallel lines. Y coordinates are equal. So 1 comma t and t comma t. So observe that 1 comma t and t comma t I am writing. Observe that these 2 points t comma 1 and t comma t in this x coordinates are equal. X coordinates are equal means it forms vertical line. So vertical line means here t comma 1 and t comma t. So vertical line means, can I draw like this? So join these points. This is the coordinate system. After that, here I am assuming the points A, B, C. Here I don't know the coordinates of this point, h comma k I am taking. The circle diagram Passing through these points, these coordinates they are asking question. Here observe that it's a square. In square diagonals bisect each other. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So this is midpoint M. Later fourth coordinate will be H comma K. M equal to midpoint of AB, sorry AC, which is also equal to midpoint of BD. Now I am writing here midpoint of AC 1 plus T by 2 comma T plus 1 by 2. This is midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD, these two, T plus H by 2 comma T plus K by 2, equating X coordinate, equating Y coordinates. That implies 1 plus T by 2 is equal to T plus H by 2 comma T plus 1 by 2 is equal to T plus K by 2. So TT get cancelled, TT also get cancelled, H is equal to 1. Next here also TT get cancelled, T plus 1 is equal to T plus K, TT get cancelled, K is equal to 1. So the point D of H comma K is equal to D of 1 comma 1. The circle passing through not only the 3 points along with 1 comma 1 point also, which is there in the second option. H comma K we are assuming here, that is 1 comma 1.